Alright, today I'm going to be looking at the Feit Electric Smart Wi-Fi bulb. It's about 60 watts, compatible with Google Home and Alexa. There's the Delicious Lighting Facts, has 800 lumens, going to cost you about like $1.08 for to use it all year. So if you're like, conscious about your like electric bill, these may be the right light bulbs for you. With that said, let me just sync them up and go from there. Alright, here's the light plugged in. I have tried to connect this light to the app several times, each time without success. It says it like doesn't support my Wi-Fi, which is weird. Apparently to pair you gotta kinda like turn it on and off and on and off again until you see a blink. You ever did this to like annoy somebody? That's pretty much what you gotta do. Now it's not even come back on. Okay. There it goes. Funny enough though, let me show you this. Instead of it syncing to the light bulb, it synced to this vacuum cleaner that I own from them instead, and it's like moving on its own now, which is kind of funny. With that said, maybe I'm just having a bad experience, but I did notice that the app on the Android store has a bunch of like low reviews, has like 2.9 stars or whatever. So I don't think I'm the only one who has trouble with this light, but maybe your luck will be better, I don't know.